Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 55. Today we are starting unit 7, city and village life. What is a city? City is a large town. And what is a village? Village is a smaller town situated in a rural areas. So here we are study about city and village. This is Lahore. It is where Yasir and Anam live. Lahore is a city and so is Karachi. Look at this picture. This is Lahore. It is where Anam and Yasir live. Lahore is a city and so is Karachi. Islamabad is a city too. Life in a city is very busy. So we live in a city and our life is very busy. Yasir's cousins live in a village. The village is small. Yasir's uncle has a farm. The vegetables he grows are sold in the city. Yasir's cousins live in a village and Yasir's uncle has a farm. Look at this picture. This is a farm. The vegetables he grows are sold in the city. You can see in the market. Here we have two questions. Do you live in a city or a village? What is it called? I live in Islamabad and it is city. Where would you like to live? I like to live in Islamabad. And Islamabad is a city. So I like to live in a city. Now look at your page number 56. Transport. What is transport? Transport help us to move from one place to another place. Vehicles. Vehicle help us to go from one place to another. Some are fast and some are slow. Most of these vehicles have wheels. Look at these pictures. Most of vehicles have wheels. There are other means of transport too. Some can fly and some move over water. For example, an aeroplane can fly and some move over water like ships and cargoes. Look at this picture. These are vehicles like a bus, a bicycle, an aeroplane, a train, a bull cart. Yasir and Anam go to school by bus. Mr. Ali drives Mrs. Ali to work in a car. So did you know the fastest train can reach speed over 300 km per hour? The fastest trains can reach speed and the speed is over 300 kilometers per hour. So it is so fastest. So here we have two questions. How do you come to school every day? I come to school in a car, or maybe you come to school in a bus or a van. What is your favorite type of transport? My favorite type of transport, I like cars. Now look at your page number 57. It is your homework. Now look at your page number 59. Maps and places. Maps help us to know where places are. Can you find where Yasir and Anam live? Look at the map. Yes, we can find Yasir and Anam home. Look at here. Yasir and Anam and Yasir lives here. Can you give direction how to get there? You can use some words like to the right, to the left, behind, in front of, and near. So Yasir and Anam's homes in front of mosque. Here we have two questions on the map. Which place in front of the bus stop? Look at where is the bus stop. In front of bus stop is a hospital. Where is the mosque located? Where is the mosque? Mosque located in front of Anam and Yasir's home. Now look at your page number 60. Important places. You have to pass some important places to get to Yasir's and Anam house. The hospital, the police station, the bus stop. What happened at these places? Who worked there? In the hospital, you know, the doctors and nurses and other staff work in the hospital, the police station. In the police station, the policeman works, and the bus stop. In the bus stop, look at this picture. These are the passengers. Here are names of some other important places in a city: an airport, market, a railway station. Now look at your page number 61. It is activity, so you can do it by your own self and read all these chapters and learn all the difficult words. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.